Morning guys, in front of me is HMD XR21 and let me show you how to check serial number and also email number on this device. You've got two options here. So at first open your phone dealer and provide a secret code, which is *06#. And here you've got device information with both email and serial number. Tap on OK. And now you can also find it via settings. So at first enroll the list of all apps, go to settings, find and select about phone, and here mark more. And right here you've got both email numbers assigned to your device. So this is the first one, then the second one, and under we do not have model here, so let's go back. And here under model you will be able to find a serial number as well. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.